Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're exploring Sainsbury's Bank, accessible online at sainsburysbank.co.uk. This financial institution offers a range of services, from everyday banking needs like current accounts and savings options, to more complex financial products. Navigating their website, you'll find various resources and tools to help manage your finances. Whether you're looking for a simple way to track your spending, or exploring options for long-term investments, Sainsbury's Bank aims to provide a comprehensive suite of services. Their online platform appears user-friendly, designed with clear navigation and accessible information about their products and services. It's worth noting that Sainsbury's Bank is part of the larger Sainsbury's Group, a well-known name in the UK retail landscape. This connection may offer certain benefits, such as potential integration with their loyalty programs or other retail offerings. For those seeking a banking solution linked to a familiar brand, Sainsbury's Bank might be worth considering. Further exploration of their website can reveal specific details on account features, interest rates, and any associated fees. Remember to always conduct thorough research and compare options before making any financial decisions. It's important to find the banking solution that best fits your individual needs and financial goals. Consider factors like online accessibility, customer service availability, and the range of financial products offered. Sainsbury's Bank presents itself as a one-stop shop for many common banking needs, conveniently accessible through their online platform. Take the time to explore their offerings and determine if it aligns with your financial requirements. This video provides a starting point for your research, and further investigation is always encouraged.